Chase Inc. Business Cash Pricing explained what you get for your money. The Chase Inc. Business Cash Card is ideal for business owners who want category-based rewards without paying an annual fee. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's a basic cashback card, but the surprising truth is how much value you can earn in the right categories. You earn 5% cash back on the first €0 spent annually at office supply stores and on internet, cable, and phone services, 2% on the first €0 at gas stations and restaurants, and 1% on all other purchases. For a business spending €0 a year on office supplies and services, that's €0 cash back right there. The card comes with an annual fee plus purchase protection, extended warranties, and no foreign transaction fees. There's also a welcome bonus of cash back after spending $500 in the first 3 months. In conclusion, the Chase Inc. Business Cash Card is a strong no-fee option for businesses that spend strategically in bonus categories. Its combination of high cashback rates, welcome bonus, and no annual fee makes it a highly valuable tool for smart business spending.